Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. Okay children, let's sing a song first. 1, 2, 3. Rama-rama terbang tinggi, cari siapa, cari siapa, cari Teacher Wawa, mana Teacher Wawa, Teacher Wawa di sini. Rama-rama terbang tinggi, cari siapa, cari siapa, cari Teacher Tini, mana Teacher Tini, Teacher Tini di sini. Okay children, before we start our class, let's recite doa penerang hati and doa waktu pagi first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan tayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Amin. Children, do you love your parent? If you love your parent, you need to recite doa for your parent. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma firli zunubi wali walidayya warhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira Amin. Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku, ampunkan dosa kedua ibu bapa yang menjaga kami dari kecil hingga dewasa. Balasilah mereka dengan syurga. Okay children, let's go to our class. Okay children, today teacher want to teach you how to transfer the pom-pom using tongue. Okay, this is tongs. You need to take pom-pom and put in the bowl according to the color. Like this. This is pink. Okay, which one? Pink bowl. This one, right? Like this. Okay children, let's do more. This one green, right? Okay, put here. Orange, put here according to the color of the bowl, okay? Okay, please practice the activity at home. This activity is good for your motor skill. For art and craft activity, we want to make an animal mask like this. Teacher already provide this material for you. Do you know how to make the mask? Don't worry, I will teach you. You need to color this mask, use crayon and tie the rubber band into the hole. Okay, now we are going to learn about the concept of same and different. Same is sama, different is berbeza, maksudnya tak sama. For example, teacher have 2 Legos. They are same. Kedua-dua Lego ini sama bentuk dan warna. Now, how about this? Different or same? Different, right? Tak sama kan? Now, repeat after teacher. Different. Berbeza. Different. Berbeza. Okay, now take your nursery program book number 2 and turn to page 20. Read with teacher. same, different, same, different. Okay, the tire is same with the shape, right? The table is square and the shape is circle, so it's different. For this activity, you need to tick for objects that are the same and cross for objects that are different. For example, this ball and this ball are same or different? Same, right? So you need to tick like this. Okay, next. Orange and pear. Different or same? Different, right? So you need to cross. That's all for today. Please complete your work at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, stay safe, bye.